So we're here with Dr. Brian, and we're at the Chiropractic Personal Injury Seminar. And you've actually been to several seminars before, and actually you've been to Croft seminar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the weekend gone? So we're just wrapping up our Chiropractic Personal. How's it gone?
I've learned a lot. It's uncovered a lot, and it's simplified a lot of things I've learned from other seminars, and just really put it together concisely in a way that just makes it simple to...
Real clear?
Exactly.
What would you say the one or two things that is different about what we teach with personal injury versus Croft?
It's much more simplified and straightforward. It's structured. I'd say it's structured better, and it's easier to communicate to attorneys. And
it's pretty clear, isn't it?
Very clear.
So we were real clear on how to handle with high specificity the soft tissue injury, right?
Yes.
And then how to put that case together, right? So you're real clear with the 4 components of what you need to do for documentation to put that case together and win, right?
Crystal clear.
Yeah. And when I say soft tissue, I'm not just talking soft tissue. We're talking nerve, we're talking disc, soft tissue, right? Okay. What we see as chiropractors day in and day out, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you now are clear on how to do that, right? Mm-hmm. And then now we also taught you that the insurance attorney is going to come at you, right? And try to say, you know, this is, well, wait a minute, this was due to a low impact injury or pre-existing. And so now we taught how to handle that, right? You feel confident you can handle that now.
Absolutely.
Okay. Can you see how, if you take these cases and do exactly like what we taught, and you document those 4 categories to support the case, and then know how to defend low impact and pre-existing, can you see how that will have a major impact and create tremendous value for your patients and the attorney?
It's huge.
Right. Can you see how if you just started talking that kind of language to the attorneys, how that will automatically create value for them?
Unbelievable.
Have you ever had any other chiropractors ever talk like this before, or show you how to put a case together like this, so straightforward and direct?
Not this, not this made this simplified.
Real clean, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.